I observed about myself throughout this journey. I am so grateful of to all the people who directly or indirectly became channeled to this journey and taught such soulful and mindful awakening to me. This series has completely changed my thought process, unfolding each and every layers of what I used to believe in, what I feel till now, almost everything. This came into my life like a miracle, which keeps on teaching and guiding me about each and every aspect of mind, body, and soul. Thank you, Prachi ma'am. Words are just not enough to owe you my gratitude towards what you brought into my life. It's totally out of imagination. I just can't think one day I will be so much change. I've never thought about it before. You hold me up throughout the journey, tried every time just to make me focus on this. Every time I get diverted and you just keep on telling me, just do it, do it, do it. And everybody is doing and you can also do it. So I just really get motivated from you each and every time. I am deeply overwhelmed for this. I am a person who keeps their promise once made, which I fulfill today by inheriting everything into me, what all I grasp from this course. You are among those persons who leave their mark behind. Since childhood, I always aspire to be the one of such a kind. Thank you for being my inspiration, ma'am. Every time during the session, whenever I want to ask or say something, but I hesitate, you just catch me. I just don't know how. It happened 2-3 times during this journey. But I just don't know how you did that. Your words sense power to me and they are so powerful, work like a dynamite, which blasted my limiting belief. Once you said, Sonam ka chand means you are meant to rise and shine. And it just gave me so much of positivity and I felt so much enthusiasm and got more positive belief in myself. I can't have a good mentor other than like you. Your teachings are a treasure which I'd further pass on to my son and he quickly picked up. And now he started saying thank you most of the time and also reminds me whenever I say something no to something, Mama, don't say no, don't say I can't. And I'm so happy to inculcate such wonderful seeds of gratitude inside the heart of my 4-year-old son. I feel I've done something very good thing to him. I was at below the line, but now I find myself elevated from that position. If not reach the topmost of this higher self, then at least touch the line of positivity, love, gratitude, hope, and joy. I am so happy by small changes in me. Thank you, Akshay Bhaiya, for bringing this into my life at the very right time when I needed the most. He is the one who just introduced us to this course. And thank you, Shelly, for motivating me time to time. Magic Book brought miraculous changes in my belief system that everything is possible. Desires can be fulfilled. We are only a step away of just being and feeling grateful for it. It really works. And I had experienced many such small magics in last month. Even my husband, my father-in-law, believes in the power of gratitude. They keep on telling us that father also says, thank you, thank you, thank you. Mirror work introduced me to my inner self. I regained my lost confidence, my self-worth. It changed my nature of being introvert to extrovert. I never thought about myself, but after going through it, I found love for myself. The experience is so mesmerizing when to act like childish, like dancing, playing games with the children. It gives me immense pleasure, immense happiness. I am a giver, happy going, calm, and peaceful person. That's my true nature. I simply feel happiness in giving and doing anything I can. I can. I want like to help them out unconditionally and without any expectations. Creative visualization taught me art of affirming and healing techniques by feeling and being grateful for them in advance. It's the key to success in life to achieve them so easily and effortlessly. Ikigai shifted my focus on towards the purpose of my life. I'm still looking for it, though. I love helping people in any way I can. It gives immense happiness and a sense of satisfaction to me. The power of subconscious mind made me have a concept of faith in my subconscious mind, and it took away most of the fear from my mind. The greatest secret helped me aware of my feelings, my thought, their repercussions in life, and much more. There was a time came in my life where I least expressing myself. I was totally shut. The power book took me into the waves of feeling and expressing love for all the time. Now, when I meditate, I see love in flowers, sky, my home, my mandir while praying and while cooking. I feel so happy and love inside. Now I wholeheartedly love everyone and everything and express my love for it so well. Finally, I am open and receptive to everything in goodness